Hello everyone, my name is Benjamin. I'm here to introduce you this cool little drum machine called SR-16 by Alesis. And as you can probably guess, if there's SR-16, there's probably SR-18. You're right, but there's no XR-20 though. Anyway, this little drum machine can do all kind of cool stuff, create your own different drum pattern and all that. But I mean the reason why I bought this machine is I just want to use this existing drum pattern to help me play my song better, and which means 99% of this baby can do, I won't use it. It's a shame, but I don't care as long as it can help me play my song better. I don't care if I bought the stuff and I'm only gonna use 1% out of it, right? One thing that makes this machine so cool is anyway, this machine got 50 drum patterns. So one thing make it so cool is it actually got 2 sub patterns within the pattern. Say if you are using the pattern called rock, there's pattern A and pattern B in the pattern rock. Okay, so say for example you are playing a verse, you are using pattern A, and when you go into chorus you can change to pattern B, right? Of course, do some fill in between to make the whole drum pattern more complete. So this one cool thing about this little drum machine. And the other cool feature this SR-16 has is it actually got 2 full switch. Oh, by the way, those 2 full switch are extra though. It's not included in the drum machine though. So I don't want you to go to the store and buy this one, and when the clerk hands you this box, you say, "Where's my drum? Where's my full switch?" The guy from YouTube said they have 2 full switch. Okay, no, those is extra. All right. Anyway, like I said, it got 2 full switch. Unlike most other drum machine where they only got 1 full switch, which you can only control start and stop. You can actually change the pattern unless you bend down or you have your friend to do the control for you. But since this one got 2 full switch, you can do all that in your feet. It actually helps you a lot when you are on the stage. Before I put this machine to live demo, let's take a look at the actual machine. Okay, so this is how this drum machine looks like. You can control the volume from here, and also the tempo, right? And this is how you start a pattern and stop. And here is what I said about changing different pattern inside the pattern, right? Pattern A, pattern B, and here's the fill. And those 2 buttons that you can change the drum pattern using this button. Say for example, if you are in pattern if you are in pattern 1, you want to go to pattern 50. You don't have to do that 50 times. You can just use the number pad to press 50. You'll go to you'll jump from 1 to 50. All right. And let's look at the back. Here is the switch, and here's the power jack, and here's the 2 cool stuff, the 2 full switch, and here's your MIDI, and here's your output. Go to the AM or whatever device that you have. Okay, so let me plug in this machine and let's see how this baby is on. Alright, as you can. Alright guys, I'm not sure if you can watch this clearly, but we are actually on a pattern called country rock. Okay, we're at tempo 81, so let's adjust it to 96. Sorry, 92. Let's do 92. Okay, and let me press play. Okay, there we go. As you can see, we're at tempo 92, and in the pattern called country rock, which is still at number 34 in this machine, and we're at pattern A. So if you want to go to pattern B, just simply press B. Okay, so it goes to pattern B right now, and let's do a fill. One cool thing about this machine is, if you only press fill once, he will do the fill and then go into the next and then move to the next pattern, right? So right now you see we are at the pattern A. So let me press fill again. You can watch my finger, but I'm actually press fill right now. See, it do the fill and jump to pattern B right now. So let's do that again. See, you jump back. And if you want to stay on the particular pattern when you do the fill, basically all you need to do is just press and don't release it. See, and then you are still on the pattern that you're on. All right, so let's stop, and let's go to next pattern code. Let's go to 02. Okay, which is the pattern code? No, let's call rock 3, but no, I like rock 2 better. So let's take a look at the pattern code rock 2. Alright, so let's use rock 2 as an example, and I will show you how to control this machine using a foot switch. Alright, so as I say, one foot switch control the on and off or start and stop. The other control the fill and also change the pattern. So let's start. And stop, right? And then this particular foot switch, aside from controlling the fill, it will also help you to set the tempo. So let me press once and press again. So the machine will actually count the interval between my two presses. See, that was pretty slow because I meant to do that. So let's stop and let's do a 2 quick press. And let's again. Right, so that's how you set up your tempo that way. So right now you can't really see the screen, but right now we are on pattern A of the pattern rock. So that if I want to do a filling on pattern A, and I want to stay in pattern A, right? So all I want to do is to press and hold it. Let's do that again. Alright, so that's how you do a fill in an existing pattern if you don't want to change it. So if you want to change it, just simply press the foot switch once. So you jump to the next pattern. So let's jump from pattern to another pattern. Did I go back to the original pattern? So that's how you use the foot switch to control the SR-16. Alright guys, this concludes my intro and demo on SR-16. Hopefully you find it useful. If you are the guys looking for someone to teach you how to create your own pattern or other kind of function, I suppose you can go to the internet, download the manual, or go into find someone else's clip. Maybe they will show you how to do that. You won't find it here because, like I say, all I try to do is to show you how this machine functions when you play on the stage, which is by using those 2 foot switch, right? And which is the main reason why I bought this particular machine. Anyway, so hopefully you enjoy this video clip and you find it useful, and rock on.